Uncle Wallace was recorded in front of a live studio audience. Sight.
Hey kiddos, I've been watching a whole bunch of Jackie Chan films and I've been inspired to make some Asian stir-fried rice. Let's go ahead and make some. Grab your plates. I know you're hungry. It'll be ready soon. Okay, let's start off with a little bit of water. It'll be safe to go ahead and grab your bowl and some kind of strainer. I like to clean my rice. I don't really trust the people at the factories. No disrespect. As you begin to clean that hot ass rice, go and get you some butter. Make sure you put a tablespoon in some water and then begin to boil it. And okay, that's important. Look at all that starch in that rice. You can repeat the process as many times as you like to. Go ahead and do it for yourself. I'ma go ahead and speed it up because I know y'all hungry. And okay, let's head to our meat. Go ahead and slice your meats up in pieces because you don't want no big chunks. When you making stir fry, you want to make sure it look like the Asian people meat. I mean as close as possible. And okay, now as you gather your meat, make sure you spread it out in the pan evenly so you can season and everything it gets seasoned evenly. You don't have to stay in the box of traditional Asian seasoning. Feel free to step out of the box and try new blends. As you begin to cook that hot ass meat chopped up, don't forget to tell the people that vegetable blend got to be cooked too. That's important. And okay, there you have it, a masterpiece. Asian stir fry by Uncle Wallace. Like what you see? Well, go and hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel, and while you're at it, push that notification bell so you'll know when Uncle Wallace about to cook something delicious.
I know you ain't going to my kitchen without washing your hands.